We're going to take out number 1 and number 4. Take out number 4 first because we can get to it pretty easy. Removing these, you pull the cap, and luckily the bearing is intact there. Now we can push that piston down. We might need something to tap it out. Again, you want to use your soft hammer so you don't get it damaged. This is a neat trick for those of you who might not have something soft to hit it. You take your soft hammer, use the handle. Okay. See, now that's a little loose down there. It's dropped down. Want to be careful driving that out because you still have those metal fragment pieces down there. This is your crankshaft here that you've knocked your connecting rod off of. And you want to be careful so that you don't damage that crankshaft. Now, once we turn the crankshaft a little bit out of the way, we'll be able to push that piston farther on out of the way. But while we have it here, what we'll do is we'll find the other ones that coincide that we can take off. That way we can slide all these down pretty much simultaneously. If you try to do it without, then again, those other pistons have stuff in there. It's going to be kind of hard to turn. So take your time, do it slow, and that way you'll avoid extra damage into your engine block.